Hello everyone, welcome to online class. So today we are going to learn a new topic, adjectives. So let's see what is adjectives. So adjective is a word that describes noun. So if we want to study adjective, first we will revise noun. So we have done nouns and we know nouns are naming words. Noun is a name of a person, place, thing, or idea. So, adjective. Adjective describes noun. Here you can see Sachin. So, students, can you think of some words that can describe Sachin as a person? That can tell us about the qualities of Sachin? Like, Sachin is a good person. Sachin is the best cricketer. Sachin is a clever batsman. So, good, best, clever, all these words are describing Sachin as a person. Same way, Taj Mahal. So, can you think some words for Taj Mahal that can describe Taj Mahal, that can tell us about the qualities of Taj Mahal? Like beautiful. Taj Mahal is very beautiful. Taj Mahal is old. Taj Mahal is built of white marbles. So, beautiful, old, white, all these words are describing Taj Mahal as a place. Right? So, next we can see a ball. So, can you think some words for this ball that can describe this ball? Like colorful. So, this ball is colorful. We can see. So, in this ball, this ball has 6 colors. This is a very big ball. Yes. So here colorful, six or big, all these words are describing this ball as a thing. Same way, you can see one emoji here. Someone is dreaming. So can you think some words like great? I have great dream. I have scary dream. I have a scary dream. I have funny dream. Okay, so all these words are describing the idea of dreaming, right? So here you can see many words and all these words are describing words and all these words are adjectives. So all describing words are adjectives. Now let's see types of adjectives. We have 6 types of adjective. Adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, demonstrative adjective, interrogative adjective, and last one is possessive adjective. Now, first of all, let's see adjective of quality. Words that describe quality of noun or pronoun. Here, note down the word quality. For example, I have a nice teddy. Here you can see a teddy. Here I have used a word nice to tell the quality of teddy. Here, adjective of quality generally answered the question of what kind. So can you think more words for this teddy that describe it? Yes, you can. Like you can say this teddy is brown It is awesome. It is a cute teddy. So these words describe the qualities of this teddy. So here we can see some more examples. These words describe the nouns like London is a large city. He is an honest man. The foolish crow tried to sing. So next one is adjective of quantity. Words that describe quantity of noun or pronoun. Here you can note down the word quantity. Example, if I say I have enough money, then I have used the word enough to show quantity of money, as we know that money is an uncountable noun. Adjective of quantity generally answered the question how much. Here we can also use some more word to show the quantity of money. I have some money. I have little amount of money. I have more money. So these words are showing the quantity of money. So next one is adjective of number. Words that describe exact number of noun. Here you can note down the word exact. For example, Shivani has 4 apples. Here 4 is showing the number of apples. Here adjective of number generally answered the question how many. How many apples do you have? If Shivani has 1 apple, we will say Shivani has an apple. Shivani has 8 apples. Shivani has 10 apples. So these words are showing the number of apples. Here you can see some more examples like I have 5 students, they have 4 carpets, I have 3 glasses, she has 1 pencil, you have 3 pillows. So next one is demonstrative adjective. Words that points out a person, thing or animal. Here you can note down the word points out. That means to show something. For example, this book is mine. Here I have pointed out to one book that this book is mine. So we can also use some more words. So here we have 4 demonstrative adjectives that, these, those. So here we can see we have 2 singular demonstrative adjective, this or that, and 2 plural demonstrative adjective, these or those. Next one is interrogative adjective. WH words are used with nouns to ask questions. Here, WH questions like who, whose, whom, which, what. So, for example, which book is yours? Here I have used which with book to ask question about noun. Here you can see some more examples like whose pen will they bring to you, which book will they give you, which notebook will they show you. Next one is possessive adjectives. Words that are used to show ownership. You can note down the word ownership. Ownership, that means adhikar. For example, Joe left his bat at home. Here I have used the word his to show ownership, that whose bat is this? Joe's bat is this. So this is showing ownership. So this is possessive adjectives. Some more possessive adjectives are like my, are, her, their. So here you can see some more examples.